Today, I want to give you a way to manage your personal agent skills. One common problem that I see is skills are really helpful, but often I reuse them across projects. They're kind of fragmented, and now I'm copying files and folders between one-off projects. I don't have a way to centralize these things and manage them and really curate a library of the tools that I give my agents to accomplish an outcome. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do just that, and I'm even going to give you a way to share skills across your team. So skills are reusable capabilities for AI agents, right? We can install skills into a directory, for example, the front-end design skill, and this is going to help our agents. It's going to help Claude. It's going to help Codex do things like design front-end UIs. And a really great tool for installing skills is skills.sh. That's the web page I'm on here. And you can install skills from here with npx skills add and then a URL. So you can install something like front-end design here. I'm going to copy this, and we're actually going to open up a terminal, and we're going to do this in a project. So here I have an empty folder, ls-la. There's nothing in the folder. That's what we want. So for example, I can run this command, and we're going to fetch that repository. By default, I have this configured just to go into agents for the project. So I'm going to enter through that. We'll clear now ls la, and then we'll cd.agents, and we can do another ls la, and now I have a skills folder, cd skills, ls la, and we have our front-end design skill. We can take a look at exactly what that looks like, and we can see that there's a license file and a skill, and we can look at that skill, and we can see, hey, this is a guide for distinctive production-grade front-end interfaces. All really great. We're avoiding AI slop, exactly what I want. So we'll close out of this and we'll clear it out, and that's great. But commonly, I'm finding myself with these skill files scattered across all my projects. And that's not good for evolving skills, improving on them, and actually turning them into something that compounds over time. It's really great for one-off project installs, but we want our own curated library. We want to reuse these things. We want to be able to take them with us wherever we go. So the thing is, you can use npx skills add with any repository. And as long as you're auth to GitHub on your machine, that can be a private repository, it can be a public repository, it can be a repository for a team that you're a member of. And so what I've done is I've just created my own skills repository on GitHub, and now I can come over here. We can see this is a private repo, and start to store my skills. So I just have a skills folder here, and then inside that folder, I have a bunch of different skills that I'd use across random projects, maybe writing blogs, technical writing, creating strength training programs, creating skills, Twitter content, all of these things that I do commonly or instruct agents to do. I want to store those off and then over time start to improve them to make them better and have a library where I can keep these things. Now, as I mentioned, right, the amazing thing about the npx skills add command is that it works on any GitHub repository that you're authed into, so long as you have a root skills folder, and then inside that folder, you have your skills stored in a way that fits the skills spec. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go back to the homepage. I'm going to copy this folder, and then we're going to open back up the terminal. What I can do is not run the Anthropic command, github.com/mattppal/skills, but run the command for my repository. And because I'm authed on GitHub, I'm going to have access to this repository, which means that you can do this for private repos where you're auth, not only for your personal accounts, but also for your company accounts, for your team accounts, right? And then to install this skill into my project, I can just hit technical writing revision. And it's nice we get a little preview here. One of the reasons I like this command, it's very clean, very well done. Shout out to the Vercel team. And we can install that into our project. So now I have my technical writing revision skill, and I can be confident that I'm syncing that across my projects. If I updated this skill, there is a skills.lock file here. So I could just rerun the same command to pull down the updated version from GitHub. That's great. What do I do when I want to take a skill that I have already used and I like and add it to this repo? Well, I have alias to shell command that I call skill push, and it allows me to quickly copy skills from one directory to my managed skill repo and push them up to GitHub. So what I can do is do something like cd ... and then run skill push front-end design. That's going to send front-end design through to the command as an argument. And really all I'm doing here is using Codex. It's just going to fire up a Codex session that points at my skills repo on GitHub and gives instructions to fetch that repo, grab the skill from the current directory, and then push it to GitHub. So nothing too special going on here. Really, I'm just aliasing an agent command and then running a Codex session, and then just relying on the fact that this is a relatively simple command, and I think Codex can take care of it for me, and it works. Well, it's worked every single time that I've done it. And so that's a really simple way that you can manage your skills, and then also have a repository that you can use to pull down skills, update skills, and really build a curated library of skills over time. Because the thing is, if you're creating one-off scripts, one-off skills, and you're not harnessing compounding or integrating new knowledge or improving the things that you've already built, you're kind of losing the whole point of building these systems, which is that they get better over time. So this is a really simple framework that you can use. The way to set up something like a skills push depends on your terminal, but I'll throw it in a GitHub gist and attach it to this video so y'all can get started using it. Again, I'm Matt. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.